Why is Allah not helping Gaza?
Why don't you go to Israel?
Why is Allah not helping Gaza? Because
You've never been there.
Allah is not helping Gaza.
I don't think there's
Because Gaza is going against Allah. In the Quran it says the children of Israel will return. But Hamas says they've got to go back. Allah says they'll return. You aren't just fighting Israel, you are fighting Allah as well. You are going against his prophecy. It says in the Quran, if you go against the Quran, you will have a life of hardship. So, you in Gaza are getting a life of hardship because you're going against the Quran.
Allah said the world belongs to Allah.
And you're blaming all your problems on everyone else but yourselves. And Syria is going to be destroyed. If Assad stays in power, he'll destroy most of his own country.
For me.
Yeah, of course.
You come for me.
For everyone.
For everybody.
And you.
And the
And you. Special.
Wait, not you
like the Arabs.
there. I take a picture.
No, it's not him.
I want them to have a good life.
you like Netanyahu, ya wizard.
Get off my leg.
You like Obama.
What's a wizard?
You like everybody kill Muslim.
No, some
You like
Muslims
this.
are killing Muslims.
You like this.
99% of Muslims
You like
get
kill
killed
all
by
Muslims.
other Muslims.
You like kill all Muslim. And the Muslim
I'll
love
say it again. He
everybody.
won't listen though. 99% of Muslims are killed by other Muslims.
No, because you're the one who made it.
You make us fighting.
كلب يا وزر.
What you need is a good education. A good education. And you can be as advanced as we are in the West. Yes? Listening. I've read the Quran several times properly. And I can see where you're going wrong. Carry on. Yes?
When I start talking, don't stop.
Well, you keep repeating yourself. Say something new each time.
30 seconds.
Go for it.
Go read the proper Quran, the real
third
Quran,
time.
not that they showing in the news and that crazy people they doing.
This is the Quran. It's not the news. This is the Quran. Say something else.
Go read it, then come to speak to us.
Tell you what, I've said it 5 times. I've read the Quran. He just says read the Quran. I have done. This is why they're failures. They walk away. They go against the Quran and they walk away. You remain backward third world failures. It's up to you. Everyone has freedom of choice. You could either read your Quran and believe it, or you could do what they do and twist it.